here I have a Big Lots haul. I've been watching this guy's shop with me videos. He's in New Jersey. It's like northern New Jersey. I can't remember his name. That he goes to all the stores and he's been showing everything everybody has. Of course, it's back east, but there's a chance it could have it out here. But so I went to Big Lots and they had most of their Halloween stuff out. It's already getting picked over. And they had a lot of the Christmas stuff out. So I hit it hard. And I did buy paper towels and TP. So, I did get a couple normal things. But it was awesome. They got so many good things. I got this beauty here. It's Jason from Friday the 13th. And he's solar. So his head goes. And I think they had Freddy Krueger, but we don't like him, so I didn't even look at him. So, and it was $8. And they were getting low on this stuff, so this is really a good one. See, his head kind of jiggles around. So, and it's got the logo on it and everything, so awesome on him. So, yeah, on that, and then this. I saw this in this guy. The guy doesn't have any sound on his videos, just music background. So I didn't know what this guy did. So they had two or three of these left, and you got to try these in the store because some of them are screwed up. But these are made by Darice, not Jemmy. It was 14. So check this out.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My. Underneath the tree, and oh no, you just stepped in me. That's still, and my Santa cat, this little emoji brings the wrath. Santa's reindeer went number 2, he made the cutest little fool I've known. As such, Merry Christmas, you can't touch this. No touching. You can't touch this. I'm strictly hands-off.
Awesome. No. Yeah, see, I had to get it. I had to get these things because if I didn't, I'd be going back there next week looking again. So, I love this. I love this emoji poo thing. I can't help it. Just think he's really awesome. And then, ho. He will be really good with my Elfie. I love it when you call me little Elfie. So, and then this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I like pink flamingos. This will be beautiful by my white tree with the pink ornaments. I'm just saying. And this beauty was 16. Worth every penny. Check this out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it is. Yes. Awesome. And of course, I had to test like every one.
Yeah.
To make sure I get the best one. With the best neck action. Oh, that is so cute. And who makes this one? Dandy. Oh, why did I say Darice? Darice makes stuff for, it's Dandy. Darice makes stuff for Joann's. Yeah. And this is where you put your batteries in. So, these were very exciting purchases. Yay. So I think that's it for the Halloween. Yes. And, oh, this is so good too. I saw this on that guy's video and, oh, that's really good. Oh no, I saw this one. There's another guy that's really cool. He's called Monster Tutorials. And I think he's German or something. He does these really fun tutorials. His stuff's all ghoulish, Creepy. But he does do some shop with me's that are really, really fun. And that's where I saw this Halloween stuff. So this one was 20. Also worth every penny. Get him to go. Oh, here. This is really good. Check it out. Oh, good. Okay, I was gonna use this for a present, but now I don't think I can. I might have to go out and get another one. Oh, look at his feet.
Oh, man.
So good. And then, this is really good. I thought it was over the skeleton stuff, you know, but no.
Yeah.
This is really good. This was $12, and I think this is by, I can't read it. It's really light. It's really light. Big Lots. This is some Big Lots brand distributed. I don't know who makes this one, but this is really good too. Oh, it's got a proximity switch here. Ow! Oh.
He really likes to go.
Yeah, they like to go. I had like 4 of them going in the store. Yes, I did. I want to get the best one.
Right.
Hello.
Right. Yeah.
And this one, this is the one I saw on both those guys' videos. Oh, it's so good. It's even better in person. I was thinking it was huge. Oh, I don't know, it's so big. But look at this. They move. This was the only one where they moved. The other ones were all screwed up.
Yeah.
Look at that. Ugh. So I think I'm gonna put this on my sideboard over there. Now, does this have a...
I don't know. I hope so. Proximity thing. I don't know.
No. Look, it's got lights. It's got
Yeah,
action.
cool.
It's so good. And then I'm gonna put him in front. It's so good. Yes.
Cool.
And then we have this here.
Oh.
Okay, so that's my wonderful purchases. And then I have a DIY that I did because I'm doing all my mantle. Good. You know, if you've got these earth tones going on, this is actually pretty good for the tree. But I did these for the mantle. I just painted them with some Liquitex. And they kind of match a little better with what I got going on there. So that's what I have today. I'm so excited with my items. What a wonderful purchase. Baby's getting tired. We better go. Oh,
Now
see?
stop that right
She's
now.
hangry.
Time out for you.
Bye.
That baby needs a timeout.